Well, would you look at that? This right here is a brand new 2021 KZ Connect 251 BHK. And I'm Joel Tucker, coming to you from VEURINK'S Service Center right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Hey, I'm super excited about this Connect because it is brand new, features some awesome features and a brand new look. Beautiful white fiberglass, one-piece molded front cap with an awesome windshield, lets in all that natural light. Now this has also some great amenities on the outside, like your power awning, your LED lights, outdoor speakers, huge pass-through storage, and your flip-up steps. But one thing I really love about it is, come on back here and take a look at this. This is gonna be your outdoor kitchen. And KZ doesn't do your typical two-burner cooktop, we do a griddle. So easy for your eggs, your pancakes, your steaks, your burgers. A lot of cool things can happen out here on this outdoor kitchen. We also on the back have a receiver as well for your bike racks or your storage racks. So a lot of cool things on this Connect. From here, let's pop it inside and do a quick 360 so you can see all the great layout, the features that this offers you in the brand new Connect 251 BHK right here at VEURINK'S RV Center. Well, let's first of all check out the front bedroom with that windshield right in your own bedroom. Again, great aesthetic. You can see what's going on the front part of your campsite, and lets a lot of natural light in here. King size bed is gonna be standard on this Connect, so you can stretch out with all the room that you want. Comes with your comforter as well as pillows as well. Next to the beds will be your cubby holes for your CPAP machines, your alarm clocks, and to charge your phone on either side of the bed. So if you're looking for a modern camper that's up with the times with the design features of 21st century, you'll absolutely love this Connect with the light cabinetry, the two-tone wood in your entertainment center, and the gorgeous wall boards throughout this camper. Of course, you have your full appliance suite with your large refrigerator, your figure-on cooktop, a ton of countertop space. And what's new this year is they have larger ceiling height, which gives you more cabinet storage. You actually have a shelf in the cabinets this year, which is fantastic. And again, you have a 12-volt refrigerator, 10.7 cubic feet, plenty of space for all your groceries, and look at the U-shaped table with removable cushions. It's not your standard dinette. It's larger, it's more comfortable, easier for you to sit back, relax, watch a movie on a television, and look at that live edge tabletop there. Very gorgeous, you'll absolutely love it. And then it comes with storage. Underneath will be 2 bins on either side of the doors for all your extra games, clothes, extra food items. You have it all in this Connect. And of course, right behind me will be your large bunk beds, which is gonna be double over double for adults or multiple children, with your own window, your own light, and your own USB ports as well. And you'll love the all-new redesigned bathroom as well. So with the KZ Connect 251 BHK, you get a 5,800-pound camper that's under 30 feet in overall length. So for those who have half-ton trucks, SUVs, you can pull this camper. Now KZ will give you a 2-year warranty on everything, which is gonna be better than the competition. We typically are lighter, and of course we offer this great interior look with extra features that are standard than anyone else out there. If you have any questions, if we didn't cover a topic you wanted us to cover, call us or text us today at 616-965-9623. If you have a camper right now and you want to upgrade, perfect. We do take trades. It's never been better time to trade it in for a new camper than it is today. Again, I'm Joel at VEURINK'S Service Center. I hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions, again, call me today at 616-965-9623.